Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be about what's in a beginner makeup kit for someone who wants to begin their makeup journey and it feels so overwhelming, but I promise you it's not. So let's get into the video. The first thing we're going to talk about are brushes. Brushes come in different sizes and shapes, and each has different purposes and different uses, right? So the first brush is the foundation brush, used to apply foundation, hence the name foundation brush. It has a flat top, as you can see. It has a flat top and the bristles are very dense, very dense. While starting, I said brushes come in different sizes and shapes, right? Because we have different foundation brushes. There is this one, and then there's one that is flat. It's dense but it's flat. We have the concealer brush. Again, concealer brushes come in different shapes and sizes. I have this one. It's also a concealer brush. The next one is a powder brush. I have two different powder brushes, but again, what you should take from this video about powder brushes is that they are fluffy, right? Both of them. So I have two because one is to dust off powder. I use this one mostly for bronzer. Next are eyeshadow brushes. Eyeshadow brushes should be two different types, for blending and a flat one. This flat one is you use to apply product on the lid. Is a spoolie. You can use a spoolie or a toothbrush. It doesn't have to be a spoolie. If you have a toothbrush, it also works. For your eyebrows, you can use sponges, right? You can have one big one for your foundation, one for your contour, one for your concealer. You can choose brushes, you can choose sponges. You're spoiled for skin prep, and I'll do a separate video explaining all that, so keep on the lookout for that. You need foundation in your makeup kit. Maybelline New York Superstay foundation. You don't necessarily need this one. There's affordable ones like Rich Beauty foundation. There's a smaller size of this one, by the way. You just don't go and buy foundation. How you buy your foundation depends on your skin type, your skin undertone. It has to match your skin. Obviously, you can't buy a brighter foundation and you're dark, or you can't buy a darker foundation and you're... So I think I'll do a separate video for that, for foundation. Where to get the foundations? So I'm not going to recommend online, but you can go to Rich Beauty. They do swatches for you and they help you choose that. You can go to these makeup stores in town, like the Lintons. You get the Lintons. These are MAC. They do swatches for you and they help you pick. Concealer. You need a concealer, your shade number 1. Concealer is used to cover your dark circles or dark marks. And then this is not a must, but a concealer lighter than your shade, like 2 or 3 shades lighter than you. And this is going to be used to highlight your under eye. Setting powder. So there are two different types of setting powders. There is the loose translucent powder and the compact powder that you can use both to set your foundation or your concealer. When I say loose, I mean this is loose. This is how the compact powder looks like. It has to match the shade of your foundation or your concealer or your skin tone, right? But if you want brighter under eyes, like I like them, I go for a little bit lighter eyeshadow palette, Royal Palette by Rena Beauty, and it's all nudes address. You can never go wrong with nude colors. Trust me. The next thing you need is a Davis eye pencil. You can use it as an eyeliner or a lip liner. You can use it to draw your eyebrows. You also need a mascara. Mascara is for your lashes. This one is the Falsies Push-Up Drama by Maybelline. For the lips, you can do lipstick. Line your lips and go in with just gloss. A setting spray. Setting spray is used to set your makeup so that it doesn't move and it stays for as long as you need it to stay. I'll link everything that I mentioned in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. If you want to watch more videos, sleek